Hello, bachcho. Let's read the question. The question states the vascular bundle of dicot roots are endarch and polyarch, exarch and polyarch, exarch and radial, endarch and polar. प्रश्न में हमें पूछा गया है about the dicot roots arrangement of vascular bundle. ये अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए हम एक रफ डायग्राम ड्रॉ करेंगे of the dicot root. So it will look something like this, where इस पार्ट को हम बोलेंगे the root hair and this is the piliferous layer. Followed by that हम देख सकते हैं कि xylem and the phloem they are present in tetrad form, meaning they are present in number of 4 and ये xylem and phloem में हम देख पाएंगे कि they are arranged in alternate manner. अगर हम इस डायग्राम को लेबल करें, this is the phloem, this is known as the protoxylem and ये middle portion will be referred to as the metaxylem. Looking at the diagram, हम बोल सकते हैं xylem in case of dicot roots is present in the middle, whereas the phloem is around the xylem. It is around it, and also we can say that xylem and the phloem shows a arrangement where we see alteration, meaning they are occurring in alternate manner. In alternate manner. So this arrangement जहाँ हम देख सकते हैं कि phloem and xylem they are arranged alternately, this type of arrangement is referred to as the radial arrangement. So हम बोल सकते हैं कि dicot roots में we see the radial arrangement because phloem and xylem they are alternate to each other. So in case of dicot roots we see the radial type of arrangement. To understand if the xylem is exarch or endarch, we take in consideration the protoxylem. Because protoxylem we know are present in a larger quantity. It is present in larger amount. How do we know कि अगर ये exarch है या endarch है? Protoxylem positioning में दो type दिखाती है. First is it might be present in the periphery and it can also be present in the center. So अगर ये periphery में present होता है, so that xylem is referred to as the exarch, whereas if the protoxylem is present on the center, it is known as endarch. अगर हम ये dicot root का structure देखें, we see that the protoxylem is present on the periphery. It is present where? It is present in the periphery. So we can say in case of dicot root, since the protoxylem is present on the periphery, it is a exarch type of xylem. So in case of dicot roots, we can say we see radial arrangement and we see exarch. Vascular bundle of dicot roots are, तो हम बोल सकते हैं since we see a radial arrangement where alteration of xylem and phloem is seen and the protoxylem is present on the periphery, so it is exarch. Our answer will be option C, that is exarch and radial. Hope you understood it well. Best of